Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Lovable AI, Lovable.dev app subscription, app builder, website builder subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on their official website Lovable.dev. Okay, and once you logged in into your account on their official website, you will see in the bottom side, very bottom side, and this side, left side, you will see there is your profile icon. You need to tap on this option and you need to select settings. Okay, once you tap on settings, you need to click on plans and billings and plans and credits option. You need to tap on this option, and once you tap on this option, you can see there is an option like manage. There is a lots of information, but you need to focus on manage. You need to tap on manage, and on this screen you can easily cancel your subscription. You can easily upgrade, you can easily downgrade your subscription on this page. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.